And so what I got going on here is basically 3 loops. I've got the inner loop, which I call the utility loop. That's got, you know, the turnouts here that I'm gonna do industry for the freight section. Then it's got the place here for me to park the Amtrak trains. This section right here is going to be for commuter rail. There's going to be a metro train parked there shortly. Then I got the outside one, which 150 is running on right now. That one track is basically undisturbed except for this one crossover. Then you get the middle track, which is a transition that you can go from the middle to the inner right here, and you can go from the middle to the inner right here. This one basically keeps it so the freight train, when it leaves there, does not have to go through the station. Everything is wired DCC. I still got a lot of wiring to do. It looks like a bird's nest down below. I got to make more connections. I tried doing all 3 trains at once, but it's just too hard for me to do that and talk at the same time. Day off.